Welcome to the new Kids Corner. Hi friends, let's learn about the letter O. O is the 15th letter in the English alphabet and it is classified as a vowel letter. Here is a letter O in uppercase. It is also known as a big or capital letter. Now we are going to write uppercase O. Start with the top and make a big circle to the left. Now you try. Here is a letter O in lowercase. It is also known as a small or simple letter. Now we are going to write lowercase o. Start with the middle and make a small circle to the left. Now you try. Shall we learn words starting with letter O? O is for oak. O is for oar. O is for oasis. O is for oats. O is for oboe. O is for obstacle. O is for ocean. O is for octagon. O is for October. O is for octopus. O is for oil. O is for ointment. O is for okra. O is for old. O is for olive. O is for Olympic. O is for omelet. O is for one. O is for onion. O is for opal. O is for opal. O is for opossum. O is for orange. O is for orange. O is for orbit. O is for orca. O is for orchard. O is for orchid. O is for Oreo. O is for organ. O is for organs. O is for ostrich. O is for otter. O is for oval. O is for oven. O is for overall. O is for owl. O is for ox. O is for oxygen. O is for oyster. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. See you on my next video. Love your venue.